Hey guys, it's Jessica from Korea Now. So in this morning, I woke up to an emergency text message letting me know of this new mask distribution system that takes place starting today. To ease the shortage of masks, South Korea began limiting purchases to 2 masks per person each week at local pharmacies and post offices. The end digit of your birth year will determine on which day of the week you can make the purchase, and today the ones with their birth years ending in 1 or 6 can make the purchase. On the weekends, anyone can purchase a mask regardless of their birth years, only if you didn't or couldn't get the mask on the weekdays. Finally, South Korea's COVID-19 outbreak began to show signs of slowdown. As of today, 69 additional cases were confirmed with the total at 7,382. The number of new infection cases has been on a steady decline recently, falling to below 400 per day for the first time Saturday. So today is the first day of the mask distribution system. I came to a pharmacy nearby my office and you can see the long lines formed. An ID card is a must for your identification, and I tell you, even if you go on your designated day of the week, if the masks are out of stock, you won't be able to purchase. So in order to get one, you need to first call the pharmacies around you, check for their stock, and wait in the line. 안녕하세요. 마스크 있나요? 네. 감사합니다. 네. 이게 중복 구매가 안 되게 거기 입력이 이제 되는 건가요? 마스크는 이제 재고 없나요?
네, 품절입니다. 80% 공적으로 가기 때문에 약국에서 구매할 수 있습니다.
아, 네. 혹시 마스크는 아예 재고 없나요?
편의점이 잘 안 들어온다고. 그래서 언제 들어올지 잘.
아, 알겠습니다. 감사합니다. In the recent weeks, wearing a face mask has been perceived as a must in South Korea as fears over COVID-19 virus continue to increase. Hopefully, this new mask distribution system will ease the shortage of masks nationwide and help the citizens relieve their anxieties.